These faceless YouTube channels are getting millions and millions of views just by quiz videos. Some of you may be wondering how to go viral from scratch very fast. Well, I have the solution creating this quiz videos in YouTube Shorts. Today, I will show how to create hundreds and hundreds of these shorts in just 5 minutes using AI. In this way, you will get thousands of subscribers and start getting a lot views for free. Yes, for free. You heard, right? However, some of you may be wondering, is this quiz content monetized? Yes, it is. And I will show a secret trick, which not so many people know, to discover if a channel is monetized or not. In this way, you will prove yourself. Said that there are no excuses. Now you can start your YouTube channel, saving you a lot of time and effort. So, smash that like button and subscribe. So I will be happy. The first AI tool is ChatGPT. We will use it to create a chart with 100 geography questions for our videos. The second AI tool is Canva. We will use for the design and bulk create. We will first create a template. Later, we will generate 100 videos in just 1 second. Once in the popular chat GPT, we will copy the prompt that is on the description. This prompt will generate 10 different geography questions, but we will ask ChatGPT to create 10 more and 10 more until reaching the amount of 100. In this way, we will get quality questions to use later in our videos. Then we will copy these charts in a Google Docs chart. In this way, we will have all the charts in one chart. Ctrl+V to copy faster. We got all the questions later. We will copy all this chart on Canva. Alright, let's head to Canva. Once in Canva, if you don't have Canva Pro, we will start our free trial. You can start the trial and cancel it whenever you want. In this way, you will have 30 days to try Canva Pro for free. Now, let's choose video and mobile video, which is Shorts Reel and TikTok format. Now let's choose a nice background. I recommend to search for spiral background and choose the one you like. I choose this blue one. Now, we will reduce the duration of the video to 8 seconds, which is a perfect duration for this kind of quizzes. Now we will press the letter R on the keyboard to create shapes. The first shape will be a red rectangle with a white border, which we will place on top of the video later. We will place the question on it, and it would look like this. Now, we are going to create 4 equal shapes where we will place the possible answers. These shapes will be a kind of rectangles with rounded corners and yellow with white border. It would look somehow like this. Now copy-paste this rectangle 4 times to get 4 rectangle for the possible answers. Now go to text and press heading. Now choose the font you want. I am going to use the Mr. Beast font, which is very attractive, but you can use the one you like the most. Now you start adding the possible answer for the template. I'm going to ask for the capital of the USA, so I am adding the possible answer, and then I will add the question on the top. You can also add some effects to the text. For example, a black outline matches very well. Now create a group with all the possible answers, just timing with right button of the mouse to the first 6 seconds of the video. Alright, go to Elements and search for the USA flag. Then add it to the video. This will make the video more music, engaging. Now we go to Elements and search for a countdown. We go to Video section and choose any more than 10 seconds countdown. I choose this one. Now we need to crop this to do that. We will go to the top panel and select Crop. Once there, we will choose 1:1 ratio. Now we go to the scissors in the top panel and start reducing the duration of the countdown from the beginning and from the end so that the duration is about 6 seconds. Now move the countdown to the left top of the image. In this place, it fits very well now. Right button of the mouse on the countdown. To adjust timing, we will reduce the duration on the video to 6 seconds. In this way, we will show the solution in the last 2 seconds. Left now, we will create another shape pressing R on the keyboard. This shape will be kind of green rectangle with black border, where we will place the correct answer. Now, we will add another heading for the correct answer. We will use the same font and colors of the possible answers. Alright, now, very carefully, create a group of the green rectangle and the text pressing group. We will adjust timing with the right button of the mouse to the last one. 0.7 seconds of the video, select the group of the possible answers and go to animations. Select tumble animation and wiggle with the lowest intensity possible. This will make it much more engaging for the USA flag. Select face animation and wiggle with the lowest intensity possible for the countdown. Again, go to animations and at the end, select flicker animation. We need to choose an animation for the question. You can choose the one you want. There are a lot before moving on to the next step. We should have all the animations. Now we go to apps and search for bulk. Music. Create. We will enter data manually and go to our Google Sheets. We will copy all the elements from this huge chart. Then we will paste this table on chart in Canva. Right button of the mouse and paste it here. As you can see, we have 100 different questions on this chart. Please make sure that there are no mistakes in the answers, because ChatGPT also makes mistakes. Once you do this, press done and continue. Now we need to connect all this data to our template. To do that, we will press right button of the mouse and connect data. The questions with the questions, each possible answers with each answer, and so on. If you have problems, please watch this part of the video again. Here you can see how I am doing it. You can slow down the video, move down the correct answer below the image, and continue in bulk. Create. As you can see, we have 100 different videos ready to create in just a second. Crazy, the only thing. We need to do it. Change the image and add some sound to the videos. Now we will search for France flag and so on, until completing all the video. This won't take more than 5 minutes. You will also have to adjust the size of some words, which may be too big. Now, we need some sound. There are two options. The easy one is to add a song to the videos in this way. You won't lose a lot of time adding sound effect. The second option is slower because you have to adjust a clock ticking. You search for clock ticking too and add it to the panel. You can also add a ding sound when the correct answer appears. I found this ding sound on YouTube. Just search for ding sound and get the audio from it. For the AI voices, I am using 11 Labs. I will leave the link on the description. You just write the text to speech and then generate it as many capital of France times you want. If you don't like the result, then download it and add it to the video. This will make the video much more engaging. Capital of France. There is also another software called Fleeky, where you can get a lot of realistic AI voices. Fleeky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute. I will leave the link on the description. That voice is awesome. Finally, to know if a channel is monetized or not, press Ctrl U to see the code now. Press Ctrl F and write monetization on the search. This would highlight this. If it says true, it means the channel is monetized, and false, not monetized. Thanks for watching till the end. Wish you the best on your YouTube channel.